Producer Jeff Hoover's doing trending, and what a lovely blouse.
Well, thank you. I think it's going to be trending soon. Thank you, Paul, for letting me get into your closet.
Whatever you want.
Also, I think I put a little bit too much Viagra in my hair today, so my apologies, viewers. We don't have a new Friday dance to show you today, but as Dan might say,
we got that B-roll.
that's right. They've been on hold for 2 years. A popular dance party for seniors returned last night in DuPage County. Take a look at this. Oh, yeah. Hundreds of people turned out. Yeah. Yeah, a bunch of people turned out there.
Yeah.
That's a cue for somebody to, a lot of people turned out at the Abington Banquets in Glen Ellen, hosted by the DuPage Senior Citizens Council. The guests danced and dined for hours, and it was the group's first post-COVID dance party.
Oh, wow,
and 6 more are planned this year. And organizers say a lot of the seniors were isolated during the pandemic, and resuming these kinds of social events gives them a chance to have some fun, and it gives us, of course, a chance to pick up a couple of new dance moves as we head into the weekend.
It's a new B-roll.
And some new B-roll. Let's go crazy, Prince fans. Soon you won't need to visit the Paisley Park complex in Minnesota to get immersed in the world of his music. Prince, the immersive experience, is coming to Chicago this summer, and it will take up residence in the Shops at Northbridge on the Mag Mile. It features 10 interactive spaces where fans can trace Prince's life, and they'll also be able to dig deep into the musical inspirations that helped him craft his signature sounds. It opens on June 9th and runs until October, and tickets go on sale next Thursday and start at just $40 a piece. And finally, today is Elton John, Sir Elton John, 75th birthday. And in honor of him, and because it's also Flashback Friday, here's when Elton John, Sir Elton John, appeared on The Muppet Show. Take a look. This is a great episode because he sang like 4 of his big hits.
Wow.
And of course, that's Miss Piggy filling in for Kiki D. And she's, talk about keeping it current. I couldn't even tell you anything more about Kiki D. But I'm sure she's done a lot of other great things.
She hasn't changed a bit.
No. Anyway, I'm really excited because next hour, I've got a clip from a TV show from one of our very own. You're not going to believe it. I cannot wait to show you. Yeah, the person that's in the show does not even remember being in the show.
Wow.
So you got to see it next hour.
Good
All right.
tease.
Are you going to change your blouse next hour, or are you going to keep that the same every hour? Because we want
Tune
to
in and
trend.
see, Robin.
Thanks, Hoover.
Thank you.
All right, here's what's going on with the weather. We're going to see cloudy conditions out there through the daytime hours of today. We've got a little bit of light rain. We'll see some off and on rain showers here today. This evening, those can switch over to some snow showers. But we're currently between 37 and 40.